Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my Ipsy bag unbagging. I already know what's in here because I already filmed a video opening this, but I didn't like how it turned out, so I'm refilming it. I just got done doing my makeup. Excuse my shirt, this is my hair dyeing shirt, so there's like hair dye stains on it. My clothes are in the dryer, so that's why I'm wearing this shirt. I actually wear this shirt all the time, every day, every hour of the day, so it's nothing new. But let's just go ahead and open up my Ipsy bag. So the theme this month is Social Butterfly, and this is what the card looks like this month. And here is what the back says if you're interested in reading it. And also, before I get started, I just want to say my nails, even though they look like what is it called? Fly's eyes or oil slick. I'm confusing myself. My nails are Impress nails, if you're wondering. This is just like a quick update about that. They've been working super well. I've been wearing them for months. I wear them for a week at a time, and yeah, these are the current ones I have on. I'm trying to grow out my nails, so that's why my nails are kind of sticking past the Impress nail, but y'all, they're working really well. So just a little update on that. Okay. Have stuff in my throat. Okay, so the first product that I got this month was this Vasanti concealer buffer brush. This brush feels amazing. It's super soft, and I've never used a brush to blend out my concealer, so I will definitely give this a try. But if it doesn't work out, I'm just gonna use this for eyeshadow as a blending brush, or just to if I'm doing just a one eyeshadow look like I did today, I can just use this brush and quickly apply the one shade. But here is what the brush looks like, and if it looks like it has color on it, that's because I actually I was gonna use it, but I didn't, so I decided to not. So there might be some stuff on it, but anyway, that's the first product that I got. Second product that I got was this BRTC Jasmine Waterful Foaming Cleanser, a daily foam cleanser that removes makeup and impurities without over drying. I love cleansers, so I will definitely give this a try. It's just a cleanser, so that's that. Next thing that I got was a hand cream. This is by Bubble Tea Bath and Body, and I have a lip balm by them, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love this. It's just a lemongrass and green tea stimulating hand cream. Here is what it looks like. I'm not gonna open it because I have a bunch of like samples of hand creams and stuff that I need to use, so I'm gonna save this, but super excited to give that a try. Okay. Next thing I got was this Ciate Starstruck eyeliner. So I used the eyeliner today, and I'm in love with this eyeliner. I'm definitely gonna repurchase this once I can, or once I run out. I have been struggling to find a eyeliner that like really works for me, because the eyeliners that I use are either too like dry, or, and I'm talking about like when I buy them brand new, they're either too dry or patchy, or they dry really glossy. This one dried super, it's a little bit glossy. No wait, is that me? It dried really matte. It's really nice. I love it. It was such an easy application. The applicator, the brush is really nice on it. And what's really cool about this eyeliner is that you have the regular eyeliner on one side, which is here, and then you have a stamp on the other side. That is so fun. Like, I've never seen something like this before. If you can even see it, this is a star shaped, and if you just stamp it, it makes a freaking star. So don't know what I'll use that for, but I'm glad that I have it. It's different than what I'm used to. So yeah, I thought that was really, really cool. But again, here's the eyeliner on my face, on my eyes. Really love this eyeliner. And the last product that I got was a lip stain. This is a Aurora for All Lip Lovers lip stain, and let me see, where's the color? This is in the color Salmon, and it looks like a legit marker. So this is the color here, and I'll just swatch it real quick. Super pigmented when you swatch it. It is a lip stain, so like when I apply lip stains, I just apply it and kind of spread it around my lips. So it'll probably fade once I do that, but first swatch, it's really vibrant pink and really beautiful. So that was everything in my bag, and honestly, I think this is the best Ipsy bag that I've gotten at all. All these products I will definitely use, and although I did get 2 skincare products, these are products that these are like my top 2 skincare products, hand creams and like facial cleansers. So super excited for this month. Super excited for this month's Ipsy. My favorite Ipsy so far. Love everything. And the bag is not too bad. It's really cute. I don't know if I'll use it personally, but I can always like re-gift it to somebody, and yeah, super cute. So thank you guys for watching my video, and if you liked my video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos from me, just subscribe. I feel so weird saying that, but yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.